On this day, to glorify God and obey His will, I promise to be your husband, to love you now and forever, to stay beside you through ups and downs. Till God take my breath away.
From the very beginning, you've been my safe place and my unexpected answered prayers. Hindi ko man agad na-realize, pero ikaw pala yung taong pinagpipray ko ng matagal. Today, in front of Jesus and everyone we love, I make this promise. I will love you every day, not just in grand moments, but in the small, ordinary, and even in messy days. I will support you in everything you want to do, your dreams, your goal, your purpose.
Paano natupad aking
Congrats, Dek. Thank you sa pag-invite sa akin sa wedding mo. Hindi ko din ina-expect na ako yung magiging best man. Natatandaan ko nung sinabi ko kay Mama na ikakasal ka na. Ang tanong sa akin ni Mama, sinong magiging best man niya? Ang sagot ko lang, hindi ko alam kasi madami kang kaibigan. Tapos nung sinend mo yung invitation, hindi ko din siya binasa without me thinking na ako pala yung best man doon. Tapos ang nagsabi lang sa akin si Isa. Kaya, thanks, man.
paano nangyari sa akin na
Okay, magbago ka na ha, kasi may anak ka na, kakasal ka na ngayon.
Sana ay maging masaya ang inyong pagsasamahan at kailangan na ayos ka na sa buhay.
Buhay, wala nang inom.
kita di na darating.
Oh my God, this is it. Yung final wish natin sa isa't isa. At isa yung nag-grant na. Siyempre, nakakaiyak kasi ito yung pinaka-the best moment na mangyayari sa buhay natin. Pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, kung hindi para kayo sa isa't isa, nandito ako para sa'yo habang buhay. Love you.
Paano nangyari
I will laugh with you and grow with you and pray with you always. Together, we will raise our kids with love and grace and with joy, teaching them to choose Jesus in everything.
ko mawari?
God Himself instituted and designed marriage. Marriage is sacred. It is not to be entered into lightly. What God has joined together, let no man separate.
Basta tagang mo lang sarili mo at lagi na kayo magkasundo ng Michael. Magtulungan kung anong kaya ng bawat sa inyo.
And together, dependent on God, from this time onward, may your thoughts be for each other rather than for your individual selves. May your plans be mutual, your joys and sorrows shared.
Tayo matanda na. Parang sana di tayo magbago. Nasaan may tuwang pangarap ko? Makuha mo ba kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Tanong lang sa'yo kung bakit ay ibigin mo.
Be, masabi ko lang sa'yo na
Angela. Hey, Dorit. Uy, sobrang cute!
Lipas ay babalik natin.
I promise to protect our peace and to build a home filled with laughter, warmth, and faith. And no matter what tomorrow brings, I will choose you every single time.
Kahit maputi na
I promise to listen, patience, support your dreams, and grow with you every day. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and love you more deeply than I did yesterday.